Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kanisha. If you're new here, go ahead, hit that subscribe button and also comment your website down below. If you guys would love a full tutorial on how I make lip gloss labels or just logo stickers in general, make sure you guys let me know down below and that'll be my next video. Okay, so as you guys can see, I'm using the Avery brand, and all you do is go to avery.com and type in the number that I showed you guys at the beginning of the video, and those are the labels that I'm using for this video. So you just want to make sure everything is sized good. As you can see, I sized it up really good and I put the label in the middle. So let me know down below if you guys make your labels yourself or do you get them custom made. Making any type of labels or logo stickers, you always want to do a test run on a regular sheet of paper. So that's what I'm doing here. So here we have the finished product. To be honest, I did have a few difficulties that I did not record. The black letters at the bottom that you guys see kept smearing on my printer. So I'm not sure if it was just my printer or the labels itself, but be careful with that. I did still use them, but my next time making them, I will not be using that type of font. I think the font that I used was too thick. So here I'm just showing you guys how I actually put the labels on my lip gloss. Now, as you can see, there's like a smear on the labels. For that reason, I won't be using these labels again. So when I do the actual tutorial, I won't be using these labels because I'm not sure why it kept doing that. It also, excuse my nails, they look a hot mess. But next time I make these lip gloss labels, I will be ordering from Amazon. So overall, the labels turned out pretty cute, if I do say so myself. There is just a few things that I didn't like. But make sure you guys give me a like and also subscribe and leave your website down below.